Ever stand up too fast and just say stars? Just anemia things. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog on this channel. It is currently Thursday. I do not know the date, but it is a Thursday and I have a pretty fun day planned. It is almost 12 in the afternoon. I actually woke up before 12 today. I had to set an alarm because that would never happen in the summer. I woke up at 11 and I groggily got out of bed. I'm gonna be shooting with my photographer and friend Natalie. You guys know her by now. I literally love Natalie. I haven't shot with her in a fat second. Like, it's been a hot second. So I'm really excited. Photos for the gram, hang out with my friend. We're gonna drive around, find some pretty places to take pictures. I think we're gonna end up getting acai bowls. Who knows? I'm really excited for today. I've just been hanging out with so many new people and having a lot of fun this summer, doing new things and just hanging out with people that I hadn't normally seen or got to see for a while. So I'm just really excited to see Natalie, okay? I just got ready. I put on a little makeup, which you guys know never happens during the summer. I feel like every time I put on makeup, I end up vlogging, so I feel like I get use out of my makeup. But I have two outfits set over here. I literally don't know what I'm gonna wear. I was trying to go through them yesterday, but I feel like summer outfits are kind of hard to do with. I'm gonna start off with one outfit. Hopefully I like it. Hopefully Natalie likes it. Hopefully it fits the vibe, and then I'll bring a second one. That's normally what I do. Welcome to the channel. Subscribe, click the bell, follow my Instagram at Caiti_Mackenzie to see the photos. And with that being said, let's get changed. Okay, y'all, so here is the outfit of the day. I'm basically just wearing this pink cropped off the shoulder tie-dye tee, and this is from Shein. It was in one of my main channel hauls. I haven't worn it yet, but it's really cute and it gives me like perfect summer vibes. I'm really happy with this shirt. I really like the way of the fit and the cut and everything. Then I'm just wearing these jean shorts. I honestly have no idea where they're from. I think they're from Tilly's. I don't know. I really don't have that many pairs of jean shorts that fit right now because I did lose some weight. So all my other shorts like don't fit. So it's kind of hard for me to have something that do. And then I'm just wearing my Drip Creations bandana forces. These are just the pink ones and they match the pink in my shirt really well. This is the first fit of the day. I brought two more in my Katie's Corner tote bag. Go shop the merch using the link down below. All the t-shirts are 10% off with the code TEAS10, but this is in the spring collection and I love these bags. I take them with me everywhere. Natalie should be here anytime soon, so I'm just gonna wait. I already put my perfume on and then we can go. So I'm with Natalie. She's ordering over there. We're at this place called Vitality Bowls. It's in downtown Alpharetta. I've never been here. Oh, hey. I just ordered our acai bowls. I'm so hungry and so excited. It's been a really long time since I've had an acai bowl, so hopefully this is good.
It's not a acai bowl.
It's not a acai bowl, it's acai. Whoa, the lighting is actually pretty good. Like, go off. Okay, so here's my bowl. There's strawberries and banana and coconut, and then I added almond butter. Here's Natalie's. It has the same thing, but without almond butter. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so good. Taste test. It really poked my face. We are at the parking deck now. Pretty much like the go-to place to take photos anytime ever is a parking deck.
Yeah, 100%.
Oh,
it's
funny.
squeaking.
I was like, what is that? Here's the mirror. We have a full, oh, booty shot.
They see what's in my car.
Probably. It's shoes and a light save. How do you say that?
Lightsaber.
We're gonna use the mirror to take some photos. We'll see. Go.
Two venti waters, ice waters. Thank you so much.
I always feel so bad getting ice water from drive-thrus, especially Starbucks. Well, it is literally like 90 degrees out and it is so hot. It kind of, like, the clouds actually kind of started going down now, which of course, like, as soon as we're done. But we took some photos. I took some in this like orange outfit. The top's kind of like a little whack, like she's not fitting right, but you'll see them on my Instagram. I'll probably get them back soon because Natalie's so fast at editing the photos. So thirsty, it's so hot. And I ran out of water in my cup. My Caiti cup. So I'm obviously home from being with Natalie. We shot for we ended up taking pictures for probably an hour, but I just love hanging out with Natalie because we're good friends, and then the photos is just like something extra. I've been home for a little while. I'm packing. I'm actually going to my mountain cabin again for the weekend. We're leaving at 5 p.m. right now. It's almost 4, and we are bringing Jamie and Avery up. This is like a big deal because I brought like individual people up, but not like more than one person. So Jamie actually has to drive her car because we only have my Mini Cooper and we cannot fit that many people there. There's a little drama going on right now, but it's gonna all be good. We're leaving in an hour, and I figured I'd do a little like pack with me kind of thing. I changed into my merch and I'm wearing my yellow Katie's Corner shirt, which I literally love so much. I just got this one. I have the yellow Catesters one on the front, but not the one with the flowers. flower, and I love this one. It's so pretty. But if you want to shop, click the link down below and we can match. And these are literally so comfy, so comfy. So I haven't promoted my merch very often. I kind of like forget that I have merch. I am not packing that much because I'm only going to be there Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then we come back Monday. Surprise, editing Caiti. I know a lot of people are going to want a vlog from the weekend with Jamie and Avery, but I ended up just not vlogging anything. And I know I haven't done like a lake vlog yet, and I will do one soon, I promise. But we just got home. Actually, we ended up coming home today, which is Sunday. We were gonna come home early Monday morning tomorrow anyway, so we ended up just coming home today. So I just didn't want to like leave you hanging thinking that a vlog would be coming from this weekend. There's no vlog, but I did post on Instagram, so check out my Instagram, and more of these photo shoot pictures will be coming very soon on my Instagram. So lots of vlogs with my friends are on this channel and on my main channel. Go check those out. There is no lake vlog with my friends from this weekend, but there will be some more coming soon, I promise. Okay, yeah, that's all I wanted to say. I have to get a physical for cheer tryouts because temporary cheer tryout dates came out for the end of the month, and I have to get a physical before then, and I really don't want to get my finger pricked. Some people tell me they don't have to get their finger pricked when they go to a physical. I have to do it every time, and I hate it. I also think I have to get shots, which is not going to be good. Okay, basically, let me show you. So I take all my electronics. So I have my iPad, Apple Pencil, computer. I'll be taking my camera, and then like chargers, my wallet. I still have my 2 chargers plugged in, but then I have my like toiletries in here, which will also go in this bag. Here's all my clothes, swimsuits, undies, shirts, all that kind of stuff, but I am missing a pair of sweats. Look how broken my drawers are. It's because I have too many clothes, so they literally don't close. The drawers don't close. I just stuff my drawers full, and then they don't fit. And then the shelf gets all wackadoo. I love sweats. They're my favorite thing in the whole world. I brought Jamie to the lake like a few weeks ago, and it was rainy literally the whole time. It was only sunny for like half of one day, which kind of stunk. Oh yeah, and by the way, I use the words lake and mountains interchangeably. Ever since we got our boat, we literally go out in the lake every single day that we're there, so that's why I use those words interchangeably. Our cabin is in the mountains, and you have to drive down like 20 minutes to get to the marina to be able to go on the boat, so that's why I say those words. Oh, I showed you guys. Did I show you guys? I ordered a pair of Converse. You guys know I love my high top Converse. I have sparkly ones, I have yellow ones, I have red ones, and I just got a pair of orange ones. I don't know if I showed you guys in this vlog. I wore them for some pictures. I don't know if those pictures turned out good. I put them in my shoe rack. They're all the way back here. I got them in the mail yesterday, but look how beautiful. I love them. They're so pretty, and they're so like me. Like this is, it's perfect. I love them. The shoe rack is officially completely full. You guys know it's a problem. It's a really big problem. There's officially absolutely no more room for any more pairs of sneakers on here, which is a good thing but also a bad thing because that means I have no other way to justify myself buying more shoes. Oh, my retainers. Almost forgot those. Question, do you guys still have retainers? Do you wear retainers? A lot of my friends have retainers. Some of them literally never wear them. Some wear them every single day. I'm the type of person where I literally wear them every day. I just can't not have them. I don't know, then something feels off. I'm like, if I don't have my retainers in, it's not sleepy time. Me getting all the necessities in my backpack. Oh guys, look at this little Katie's Corner pin and the sunflower pin. This was sent to my P.O. box, and it's so cute. I keep them in my backpack. I'm gonna go put these things in my car, and then I'll talk to you guys in a second. Here's another update that I didn't tell you guys about. I got the stripes put on my car. So if you don't know, I have a white Mini Cooper. I literally love her to death. And the stripes don't come on the car, so we just got them put on probably like 2 weeks ago. So I love it. It's my bae. She's the cutest. That's the Caiti coupe for any new people. And you guys probably know, but my whole car is sunflower themed. Avery made me this tassel lanyard to put on my rear view mirror for my car, and I think it's so cute because it literally matches perfectly. Like the black and the yellow and the brown are just sunflower, and that's my whole car. And then she also got me this lanyard, which is so cute. It's funny because I literally keep a sunflower lanyard in here as well. I'm very yellow, as you can see. If and when we go back to school, I will be wearing that one for my ID, but I'm gonna tie this around my little mirror. I've never had anything on my rear view. That definitely just took me a fat second to put on because I had to tie that tiny string around that tiny little thing, but it looks really cute and it matches perfectly. Also, I'm like literally dangling out of my car right now. My Glossier chapstick literally exploded like everywhere, which is really sad because I barely got to use this one. But yeah, that's my little car tour for all of y'all have never seen my car before. Now I need to get out of here because I'm so sweaty. Ugh.